For what?
My vow renewal, 25 years.
Yes.
Wait,
So
let me
we're
look.
on our way to the airport right now, and we're going to Jamaica for the vow renewal. And it's just us, the usual. We're gonna link up with Janelle and Tasia and Jada and their household. ISO boom. We in the airport, and where are we going?
First of all, you just get the living daylights out of me.
We're going to Jamaica.
Jamaica.
For my parents' vow renewal, 25 years, hence the matching shirts. Tasia and her parents and everybody, and they're stuck on the regular check-in line while we got the pre-check. So we're sitting in the VIP because we are part of the genetically elite that don't have to be checked because we are just that good. Basically.
Hi everybody! Vlogging each other.
Hi Jane, Vlogception.
Hi, Nan.
Hi Leia.
Hi.
Hi Pooh. Hi Logie Bugger.
You yelling my name? I'm like, wait.
Hi, my niecey. Hi, Auntie Shelly.
I think something's in.
You want another hug?
Hey. Yes.
Ada. Watch out, my silky boy. Silky for them body boy.
No brush?
Hello, mother. Hello, my two favorites. Did she hear that?
You just said what?
Hi.
Them two. No, them two.
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. So right now we're here in the airport. We're just waiting. We're just don't do that again. Can you focus on me?
Down here.
Baby, can you focus on me?
Okay, so we're on the plane now, and we got
My lashes like.
our seats updated, so we're in comfort now. And Jada and I are sitting together with a stranger. And we got Nana in the she's really going through it. I don't know what's going on with her, but that's it.
Patrice, she's on here on board celebrating.
But I will come back to you guys when we're in the air.
Catch me rolling through the city, riding with the top off. Man, my whip so big when you in it. Fuck around and get lost. Tell my bitch to let her head down. What the shit cost? Tell me, baby, if you bout that life right now. Hope it ain't tall. No, I could put you in the Mile High Club. What's up? Let's take a trip. Have you ever read the world is yours on a blimp? Tell me be free, baby, spread your wings. Get your legs in the sky like a plane. Let me guide that, I'm the pilot. Can't nobody see you 30,000 feet on your knees. And the products make the freaky shit come about it. Off like with your camera to show up. I got you in the air, body in the air. How I feel up here. You scream as I do want. West Coast.
Alright, so we're on the bus to go to our hotel now. We put all our bags under the bus. We went through customs. Those are the feedings to put on this rags until we got to the airport. But yeah, we're gonna go to our hotel
I can see an airplane.
later.
Look.
Before you came round, I was heading for a small
finally at the resort. We can check out. It's like close. They said that check-in is down to 3, so we checked our bags and we don't know what we're gonna do.
I'm getting food. I know exactly what I'm doing. I don't know about you.
Yes. Are you ready for the drinky drinks? Thank you. Let me hold it good. Hi, family. Hi, baby.
Hi, Big Belly.
No, I was late to my flight. Hi, Bree.
Say hi to the vlog. So we're here in Jamaica.
In the camera.
Now drink that.
So we're here in Jamaica.
Yo, I drink them coochie.
Coochie.
Yo, ching it. Bless up, Bridget. Everything good, man.
Alright guys, so
Yes.
yeah, we're in Jamaica. This is like my third drink. They think I'm about to try the boat with them. I'm not. I'm about to ditch them and go to the sleep because I am beat.
Oh, that's cute.
Alright, so we're gonna go change. It could be. And we're going to make moves. So back over there. Get the resort. We're about to get lit. We're about to change, get some take some fire pictures that y'all will see on the gram. That you will. And then we're gonna continue to drink our livers out. That we will. Okay. And we're out. This is our room. We got a little swan on the bed. They have an extra bed in here right now, but they left us fruit. Where you put the bottle of the rum? We have a nice little balcony. This is our view. Say hi, Shay. Hey, let me see the bottle they left us.
They left us with
Nice little Aquaton.
What they trying to do?
This is the bathroom. A nice little bubble bath. Me. Shower. Okay. It's cute in here. Good morning, guys. So it is Saturday morning. And we all got our wedding hashtag hats. Let me tell you, last night was real. And I was not remembering to vlog, so it is morning time now and we have to go meet for the breakfast. The breakfast is supposed to start at 9:30. It's 9:42. I don't know what's going on. Me and Nana's about to head to the breakfast to go see everybody right now, and I will see you guys when we get down there. Good morning. Say hi to my vlog, Ron. Say good morning. Okay, so right now I'm busting out my food. The plate is like all torn apart, but the food was mad good. We got Kayla over here. Jada, we got Jelani. We got Shay. Hello, Jalea. Hello, Logan. We have Janelle and Kareem over here. Tasia down there. Adults over here. Hi, Keith. This breakfast is not good, and I keep saying I'm gonna stop eating, but I keep coming back for more. Shizzle. Mommy. My bad. Hey, get away. Get away. You think that I'm Tom Cruise? Tom Cruise. I really think that I'm Tom Cruise. Well, yes, sir. Ray-Ban.
I'm good. Janea.
It's a video, guys.
I got my KFC.
Jada, what? No. Okay, so we were at the pool all day, and I look busted, so I really don't want to show my whole face. But we about to get ready and get dressed and stuff so we can go to our all-white dinner. And Nana and I took a shower, and I'm looking for Kayla, and here Kayla goes. Sis clearly had a long day in the pool.
Hey, let me drive the boat. You gonna drive the boat? You gonna drive the boat? Wait, guys. Wait, put it down. Ready? Oh, shit. We're gonna go drive the boat? Wait, I gotta make a snap. Hey. I said this peach thing tastes better than what it was made with originally.
No, I made the best. I made the best, okay? So, alright, guess what?
Well,
I got a bed.
today is the morning
You have to start
of the
my
wedding.
makeup, and then I have to go for a 9:30 appointment.
Look at all the bridesmaid robes and mommy's robes. How are you feeling, mommy?
Good. I look ready.
We're about to get mommy all beat. And then she's gonna get her hair done.
3405.
Look at the dress.
Why?
So we can or can't? You guys will do?
Hey, Jane.
Are you guys gonna go down and
So put it here. We're about to get dressed. Let's go to the wedding. Janelle, come.
For what? What do you have to bring all the dirt his thing?
Kayla, quick.
Who's taking a picture? Hurry up.
Oh, she's still putting on makeup.
Anybody can pop
Sis.
it open?
Give me.
Close right here.
Step back.
We'll be in the front.
Can we all
I wasn't
fit?
sure if your battery was dying.
No, it's not.
Oh, a red bar came up.
Don't let your dress get
Jalea,
Anybody press?
where's your basket?
Look
Where's
at
her
this
basket?
beautiful
Where's your
lady.
is supposed to give us one. I hope
What if
she
she
has
don't
it.
have one?
Well, we're gonna empty whatever's in here and let her use that.
Somebody, who was telling me they use a hat?
Jelani.
Not a straw hat would have been good, but that's too late.
Too late. Alright, come on. Here, Janelle.
Girl, you don't know how I feel. Since you've been away, any chance you could take my call. If I got you today, say that you don't use that part, but it's good. I was thinking about you all day long, hoping you pick up your phone. I know that I don't wanna lose your love, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby. Oh girl, I Simplicity. You say that you don't talk, but it's cool. We're thinking about you all day long, hoping you pick up your phone. And I wanna lose your love, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby. Oh girl, I got a secret reason we can